Y'all, we did it. We did it, Joe. We did it.
I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around.
Hey Lovebugs, and welcome back to my channel. First things first, before we get started, if you are a first-time visitor here to the congregation, hello, my name is Mary and welcome to my channel. And to my oldie but goodie Lovebugs, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Y'all, we did it. We did it, Joe.
We did it, Joe.
We did it, okay? Your girl got a brand deal, like, yes. Your girl is sponsored. So today's video is a sponsored video and I have my lovely Lovebugs to thank for that and God. But I thank y'all for getting me out there, you know, supporting my video, liking it, commenting, and most importantly, subscribing. So sis, if you are not subscribed yet, what are we doing? Click the red button down below until it turns gray and it says that you are subscribed. Be sure to like and comment on this video if you like it, and also be sure to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend all about this video and my channel. So let's get into today's sponsor for the video. So today's video is sponsored by a bra company by the name of Hsia. I believe it is pronounced Asia. They reached out to me to do a review on some bras, and it was like perfect timing because I literally was saying to myself that I needed new bras, and look how God is in the blessing business and gave me this brand deal. So yes, perfect divine timing. But Hsia is a bra company that not only sells bras, they sell underwear, they sell loungewear, sleepwear, and lingerie. The bras are super comfy, they are chic and fashionable, and the best part is they are affordable because in these trying times, baby, I don't got it, I don't, and anything to save a point. So yes, we love affordable, we love fair pricing. But the bras have also been featured in Cosmopolitan magazine as well as on BuzzFeed for having one of the best minimizer bras out there. Okay, so without further ado, baby, let's get into these looks. So, the first bra is the Blossom Unlined lace bra, and this I also got in black. I got it in black as well as the color purple. Now, ooh, not with it being backwards. I got it in purple. Now, this bra, I have this in a 36C. Now, I normally wear, well, I thought I wore a 36B, but this fits so well. Like, there's no gaps, there's no tightness, like it fits perfectly. Like, it's super comfortable, it like covers the back, and you know, I've mentioned before, you know, my midsection ain't midsectioning, so if the midsection ain't midsection, that means the back ain't backing either. And it gives like the smoothing effect, and also like the straps, they're very comfy, they don't dig in, and it's super cute. Like, this is a moment. This is giving, let me FaceTime Bae. Like, it's giving, you know, what you doing later vibes. Maybe, you know, even if you don't got a Bae, you could probably get, you know, you got your little sneaky link or whatever. You know, the black, here for it, it's a moment. And I love vibrant colors, so this green, and I think this against my skin, decadent. But yes, this is in a size 36C, and this ranges for, not ranges, this is prices at $34. Now, the one thing I do like about this brand is that the sizes of the bras range from a size 32B to a 44I. Yes, that is right, a 44I. So to my girls out there who got more than enough, like your cup runneth over, this company is for you, okay? The next bra that I have is the Petal Vine Lace Underwire Bra in yellow. And I know that it says it's yellow, but it's giving very much orange. But yes, I think it's also cute. Really cute, because first off, I know it says yellow, but it's giving very much orange, okay? And orange and brown skin, everything. But I think this is so cute. Like, I feel like, I mean, you know, it's a little risque, but you could even make this kind of an outfit low key. I ain't gonna hold you, with a cute short and like a shirt over. You could do something with this. This is cute. But yes, this is also in a size 36C, and this also prices for $34.99. Is the Scalloped Lace Unlined Bra in light pink, and this gives romance vibes. It's giving Valentine's Day, you know, if you don't want to go the red route. It's giving, you know, innocent vibes, but I thought that this was cute. Also very comfy, and it's a moment. I like her. She's real cute, okay? And this also prices for $34.99 as well. And last but not least, we have Miss Mama's, the red sexy unlined strappy bra, baby, okay? Now with this bra, I'm not gonna hold you. If you, you know, cause the link will be down below. If you purchase this bra, I am not responsible for any pregnancies that may happen, because baby, this, you can't tell me you're not a bad bitch in this bra, okay? Come on. It's giving, it's a meeting in my bedroom. It's giving very much Valentine's Day. It's giving, I'm probably gonna end up with a Scorpio child, because she is a moment. She's giving her, okay? And again, I do love the fact that it's, you know, it may look like it's giving very much cover up, but it's not at all. It's very, yes, ma'am. I love this detailing by the neck, like this with some cute panties, girl. Again, I'm not responsible for any pregnancies that may come, but you can send me a save the date for your baby shower. I'll pull up, make sure you have some meatballs. I'll also bring you a cute gift, all right? But yes, very sexy, very chic, very cute. And this also retails for $34.99 as well. Okay, y'all, so that is going to be the end of this video. That's gonna wrap it up for this. Thank you so much for joining. If you are interested in any of the bras that were mentioned in this video, or just any of the bras that may be on the site, the link will be down below, as well as a discount code. So be sure to use code LOVEMARY15 for 15% off of your purchase. Again, the code is LOVEMARY15 for 15% off of your purchase. Go out, buy you some bras. Like I said, Black Friday is coming up. Go out, Cyber Monday, all those good things. Go out, treat yourself to some cute bras, okay? They are affordable, and then, like I said, use code LOVEMARY15 for 15% off, save you a little more coins, okay? Do that for yourself. But thank you for joining this video. Again, if you liked what you saw in this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. That's gonna do it for me in this one. Until next time, mwah. Later, love bugs.
I wanna kiss you.